In today's video, I'm going to fit this radiator guard to my Honda CB650R, so stick around for that. This is my recently purchased Honda CB650R. I've only had it a few days now and I've driven it from the dealership home. So before I take the bike out on the road properly, I'm going to fit an R&G radiator guard to the bike. I can imagine there'll be a lot of water, stones and debris flicked up from the wheel. So if I can protect that radiator from the outset, that'll help prolong the bike's life. The kit that I'm going to use is from R&G. It's the R&G Radiator guard. In the kit you get the guard itself, a set of instructions, a couple of zip ties and some foam backing that you'll put on the back of the radiator. We'll have to cut them down and stick them to the back of the radiator grille. I'd imagine that's to stop it rattling and vibrating when it's on the bike. Fitting looks very simple. You can scan your QR code there and that'll give you the fitting instructions, but it's just 2 bolts and a couple of zip ties if you need them. So all we need to do is undo the top and bottom radiator mount, take the bolts out, slip the guard in and refit the bolts. So that should only take just a few minutes. So I'll get these foam pads cut down to size and then I'll get them stuck on the back of the radiator grille. You also get a couple of neat little R&G stickers in the kit as well. That's a nice touch. So you could stick them on your toolbox or on your bike if you wish. Right, I want to first of all cut these down. So I'll just basically cut right through the centre of these and that should make it wide enough to sit on the back of the radiator grille. So what I think I'll do is I'll cut them in half again. So I'll get one at the top, one at the bottom, one at the top, one at the bottom. That'll be day 2. And then cut these in half as well, or maybe into 3 actually. Get one at the top. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Right, that's perfect. Right, let's get them stuck on. Right, that's them all stuck on. So that should stop the vibration anyway, and also protect the fins on the radiator. So next job is to get the bolts undone on the radiator mounting bolts. Here's the 2 bolts that we want to undo. The top radiator mount and the bottom one, it's just at the back there. So they're 10mm. So I'll get my 10mm spanner and we'll whip the bolts out. Right, that's the top one in. So I'll loosely fit the bottom. Right, that looks good. Now it's just a matter of nipping up the bolts. There we have it. That's the R&G Radiator guard now fitted to the bike. And as you can see there, that looks really tidy, that. Maybe just push the bits of foam in a wee bit. But yeah, happy with that. That's the radiator guard now fitted to the bike, and yeah, I think that looks quite tidy. Anyway guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.